Welcome everyone in today's video of quick guide. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in as an employee in the Insperity website. For this, you need to search for the keyword Insperity Employee Login in the Google. As you can see, there is official link for the website of Insperity. Click on it. Here is the official website of Insperity. At the right top corner, you can see sign in. Click on this. There you have to click on the employee screening. Here is the login page of employee. At the left side, you can see there is a form. Fill up this. Let me put it username as temp user, and then you have to fill the password. And if you want to remember next time, then click on remember username. If you forgot your password, click on this forget password. Else, if all the credentials are correct, just click on. And after all the verification, you will be logged in as an employee. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.